Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
I'm doing a video already. Alright, so them. So each in your mouth.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
I want
I'm
to.
not very good at it. Look how big my room looks now.
So you know what I take all that picture frame.
Come on, that's side.
But that side, oh yeah, but the front.
No, nothing there. I mean, I know nothing.
One little girl I help her mash up the place.
I should have soaked the floor there or something.
But at least that spot where she get good.
You know, you want to get good, no want it.
I'm with that one coat you have to give, so you can give. Yeah, coat look stronger than hearing. Hey, yeah, step in her paint. No, sir.
If you guys don't know this, she's using a makeup brush.
She has step in the paint.
Yeah, use a makeup brush.
I see you. Peekaboo.
Shall take my body to class. Ta-da! So this is the best I can do. This is the best I did for my room. To separate it, and yeah, my room looks a lot bigger than I thought. Anyway, I always wanted to have a whitish wall, so now I have one. Yes. So basically, this is me repainting my room. I think I did a good job. I'm tired though. And now I have this wall to do. I'm not going to video doing this wall because it's basically the same thing, but I'm going to use the aqua paint that I bought. Yeah, and then you guys get to see me how I renovate this room for Christmas and my entire house. You won't see that, but you guys will see when it's decorated. Yeah, so what you think so far? And you guys will see the entire process when I'm decorating it, but all that will be speeded up. So yep, my entire room looks like a junkyard.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a.
This is day 2 of welcome to my messed up room. As you guys know, I'm trying to renovate my room for Christmas, so I have a nice suitable room for myself where I like. And this is Sunday, so happy Sunday morning, or good Sunday morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and renovate my room, continue and finish it. I did this wall, but I'm gonna put on another coat of paint to get it, the way I like, as in no streaks in the wall. But overall, this is where I'm at so far. Yeah, so morning. I can't start my morning without my tea. Let's work. I'm painting my room aqua because I like that color and it gives out old school vibes. Like I live in the Caribbean and you see lots of green, lots of sea blue, and I want my room to reflect that I'm a Caribbean girl and I always have good vibes. Yeah, so that is why I'm painting my room aqua, because I like that color. I like the Caribbean feel, as my shirt say, Jamaican, and so I want my room to feel Caribbean. I want to feel Jamaican. I want to have lots of island vibes in it, so that is why. And I grew up with my room always been full of color. I think the world is not just black and white, and I hate seeing lots of white rooms. I always see them on Instagram. I see white room on YouTube, and I don't really like it because the world is full of color. So you must have, I feel like you must always add a bit of color in your life. Yeah, so my page is colorful, my life is colorful, so I want a lot of color in my room. So when I'm here, I feel comfortable. Like, oh wow, it reflects on me. Don't judge me, I can't paint.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open.
The road. This is day 3. Today is a Monday. And I'm with my sister. She buying stuff to eat in this corner shop.
So I'm waiting outside of the shop with my sister and I'm going to buy another paint. I'm going to buy stuff for the floor, and basically that's what I'm going to go buy today. And today is day 3, Monday of my vlogmas week. I don't do vlogmas days because that's annoying. Basically I do vlogmas week, so you guys have seen every day of this week that I post. Alright, Sister Franca said downtown I get to here, so I put up my phone now. Peace. Hi guys. Hi. Today is a Monday. Alright, once again you guys are in my room. As you can see, my bed don't have on no spread. I have to put up my stuff because I can't have them all over the place like that. But today now is that I'm going to work on my furniture. Try to see if I can spread the bed. Put up my Christmas decorations in my room, some of them. And then I'm going to work on outside so you guys get to see that. But this is what it looks like. I just came off the road with my little sister because she was at work. And I went to her place just to find out how to get some of the stuff. Because as I said, it's my first time doing this all by myself. Alright, so everything I'm doing is all by myself. Yeah. Alright, what did I wear on the road? I had on my red sweater, but now I'm a black tights and a colorful shirt. It's not a Christmas shirt or anything, but yeah, overall you're gonna see me wearing sweaters and stuff like that because it is the season, and it's also been a very much rainy weather kind of season during this time of year. So I'll be wearing lots of sweaters, and also to mimic that, you know, I'm all wintry. Alright, so anyway, I'm gonna start on my room again. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys, but I might speed that up, so yeah. Good morning, good morning. Today is day 4. Yeah, I finished inside my room, so basically I'm going to do outside my house, but I'm gonna make some tea. And yes, I'm in my kitchen. I'm gonna make some tea now to drink, and then I'm gonna paint the outside of our home. Anyway, so basically this is day 4.
Basically what the outside of my home look like. Baby AV bicycle right there. The windows. And the most important thing, the roof. The roof look and the roof wants to paint. So that's what I'm gonna work on today, is that I'm gonna paint the roof. Alright, so yep.
Today I am going to the Western Union, and I'm going to buy flowers for my room and some of the things to add to my dresser here that isn't completed all now. And I'm trying to finish my room for Friday so I can upload this vlog. I'm trying to finish my outside of my house as well, but to bring up all the Christmas decorations as well. So I'm trying to get everything done so the vlog can go up for Friday, guys. So I don't know, it's kind of moving a bit slow, but I'm trying to do the crunch time anyway. But today is the first time you guys get to see in my room almost finished and get to see me comb my hair. I've never done this at all, so that's what I'm gonna do now.
Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn up the lights in here, baby. You know what I need. Want you to see everything. Want you to see all of the light. Turn up the lights in here, baby. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this.
Anyway, I'm off to the road. So I'm on the road now. So keep. So I'm back home from town. Yeah, I'm back home, and I want to basically show you guys some stuff that I bought today. Yes, so let's get into that. I'm tired. I'm hella tired, so I'm taking a break and taking my break and try to show you guys what I bought for my room. So I bought these oops, these golden snowflakes. They're supposed to be snowflakes, but they're golden. It's 2. I got 2. And I bought some of these last year. I bought a whole bunch of Christmas ornaments, bulbs for the Christmas tree and also for my room. Symphony. So, well, and like pine cones and like gift stuff. Oh, I already have one of these. As you guys saw this, but I decided to get the pair because it doesn't match, and I don't want not matchy things in my room. So the pair. Okay, I bought a sheet for my bed. Overall, I wanted the sheet to be yellow, but this is the closest I could get, and I think this might be Christmassy since it's orange, and my room has like a bit of orange tone, and my door is red, so I thought it would be cool to play on some of the orange tones in my room. Yeah, and I also bought like flowers. I wanted white flowers in my room, and I got like a bunch of these whitish flowers for my room. What else did I got? Oh, then I bought something to eat. Oh yeah, so that's basically everything that I bought today, and it cost me a good amount of money. Christmas been costing me money. So yeah, but those are all stuff that I bought. I'm gonna buy more Christmas decorations and stuff like that, but those are basically for my room right now. Anyway, I'm tired, and happy hump day. I know I'm supposed to be doing my hump day jig, but I'm tired. So when I catch my breath, I'll do that. So happy hump day from inside my room. And you know, because it's hump day, we have to jiggle. Taking a break from cleaning. Happy hump day, hump day, hump day. Hump day, hump day. Good morning. Today is a Thursday. Today is maybe day 5th, I think. I'm not sure. But anyway, today is Thursday, and good morning. Today I'm adding the final touches to my room. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm putting on all the Christmas decorations to give my room more of a Christmas feel. afternoon, guys. Happy Friday, happy Friday. And I'm basically getting ready to go somewhere. But meantime, while I'm getting ready to go somewhere, you guys can enjoy the reveal of my room. Okay, so go ahead and go watch that. Go watch the reveal of my room right now.
Baby, you're